side quest, and that is going to be to make this idle screw stop moving. Interesting. So, wow, this is really hot. Are you tight from vibration already? Yes. This is definitely the correct way to take this off. This is really hot. Okay. So has this come loose at all? Nope, it's still on exactly how I put it on, but it needs to kind of go down a little bit more. I don't know if I have a washer that'll fit that, so we might be making something stupid. I feel like that would be okay, but I know that it adjusts from the vibration, which you can see because I just had to take the air filter off, or I had to start turning the air filter because this wing nut gets so damn tight. Also doesn't help that I kind of push it down, but whatever. Okay, God damn, stop! Wow, that was short-lived. The fuck is that? What the hell are you? Wow, I am so... Well, might as well put this bit in park. We're gonna be sitting here for a little bit. What? Right. Awesome! The turn lanes are backing up, and this guy's an idiot. See, they know to stop, since they can't go anywhere. Meanwhile, you got these two idiots. They're gonna go? Oh, well, they are. They're gonna block the intersection too. You know, watching the footage of this GoPro really makes me realize how much I turn my head. Some stacking washers on my idle screw.
Sounds about right. What size?
No, I can go get the screw. I just gotta unscrew it from the carburetor. They're packed right now. What the hell? Really? Jesus.
You get a GoPro.
Dude, I love this. I got this yesterday. That might actually work. Maybe.
Smaller than that.
I'm just gonna go get the damn screw. All I gotta do is take my air cleaner off. Why does my ass feel like it's on fire? And this already tightened. Okay. Stay. Remember where that goes. Come on. Come on. Come. Yes. Yeah. There we go. Now, people will try and steal these damn air boxes all the time. So we, ow! Are going to hide it. Just like that. I wasn't kidding, it's small. Let's put my makeshift one on there for now. Barely.
Yep.
I can put that that flat piece back on, have it over top of them, that way it's got a...
Yeah? What do you want?
Two. Two should suffice.
Yeah, that should work.
Yep. When we go to Pima, I want to make sure my idle doesn't change. Because when we went to Mooresville, the idle kept adjusting by itself. So I was like, because I could tell from the vibration. What the hell?
Do you want another spacer?
It'd work. You may need to cut the tabs off of it. There we go. We'll have it like a sandwich. I'm not going to run it like that. Alright, let me go put this. I'm gonna see how it sounds with no idle screw.
Yeah, probably like it's gonna die.
We'll find out. Does it actually sound like it's about to die? Moment of truth. It actually sounds completely fine. How does it sound in gear, though? That is the real question. Not too bad. Low battery, my ass. Fuck it, we'll just leave it off. Go in the change thing. God, why are you blowing oil all over the place? What the hell is that? PCV valve coming up? Whoa. That is like really low. What the hell? God damn it. I would appreciate it. Whoa, that is insanely low. Unless I'm leaking oil now, which is a high possibility. Or I'm burning half of it. What on God's green earth was that? That's a Mazda truck. That's actually really funny. And of course, like usual, I spilled it. If it's not the PCV valve, then we gotta change out the grommet, which will probably just mean new valve covers. Well, it's the same noisy mode. Jesus. I'm gonna need a freaking hose clamp. Also need hose clamps, because the freaking hose is huge.
How much?
$20.
No f***ing way.
$20.
Really?
Yep. And he gave me a micro SD card for it.
Bullshit. Why can't I get
Yeah, boy!
Where's my $20 GoPro?
You gotta find the right people. We'll take out these hose clamperoonies. We will grab one of them, and we will hope that this is the right size for the f***ing hose. Pull this bitch out, yank this bitch out, put this bitch on, put this bitch back on, crank down on that hog. Maybe it'll run better, maybe it'll run worse. I don't know, because if it's moving in this grommet, then I gotta change the grommet. I don't exactly know how to fuck I'm gonna do that. Do I have a vacuum plug that is big enough for that? I do, actually. Welcome to me doing miscellaneous shit. First, take this back off. Because if you notice, the vacuum leak that I think we're hearing the hissing from is the hose with the bolt through it, i.e. this one right here. And it mounts to the back of the carburetor. So if I can A, get it off. What the hell is that? Come off. Let's see. white does not fit, so we try black. Ow! I just burned my hand and dropped that. Ow. Ow! Burning the shit out of my hand. I slide in there really loosely. So we can try the white. Yes! Yes! That's now plugged, which is good. Oops. Oh no! Oh man, it really did do that. That fucking stinks. Woo. That would have been bad. Damn, that sucks. Oh well. It'll just rust and you won't even be able to tell that it's there. Okay. What should I even call this? Like a vlog or something?